Hello guys, welcome back to Zeke the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play Games login problems. So you have not been able to log in into your Play Games, which is the Google one, and you're finding it difficult. I'll show you how to fix that in few steps. So I've done research and looked for a way to actually resolve this problem, so it will be made easy for people to actually log in easily. So the first step is actually you open up your phone settings, right? So once you click on your phone settings, you scroll down to apps. So once you're on apps, the next thing you're going to do, you can just simply search for Google Play Games. Google Play Games. Okay. And once you're there, click on storage, click on delete cache, and you can also, if you delete your data, you know you have to re-log in again to your Play Games. So after doing that, click on force stop, click on that, and after doing that, you wait and still search for Google Play services, and also clear the storage, declare cache for this as well. So it has been cleared, and after doing that, you go back, and once that is done, the next thing you're going to do is actually reset your phone. You know, it really restart your phone. It really helps to stop any glitch or bug that is running through your phone. So after restarting your phone and it still keeps on persisting, you have to uninstall the Play Games. Just uninstall it and install it again, and it's going to work perfectly. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.